Hello, it's Dr. Young. I'm going to go over your, I'm going to go over your weekly assignment here, week 8. That's not the right class. Sorry. Okay, here we go. We had a teamwork assignment last week. I know that those are kind of difficult to get coordinated, but I was interesting. Always the resumes and everything that I think so there was some really good feedback going on there, so I'm really glad that I think it might help each and every one of you, make your resumes better, hopefully. Okay, so for week 8, we've got discussion and individual work. And we're talking about leadership theories. So basically, you're going to get to apply a leadership theory that you've read about to one of your managers you have now or that you've had in the past. And then you're going to use Fielder's leadership theory as a basis for your answer. Explain whether most successful managers are relationship-oriented or task-oriented. And this is definitely an interesting subject because it's going to always vary. I did my dissertation on transformational leadership. I would agree that the best are relationship oriented, but someone else would say they were task oriented based on another theory. So this is what's so interesting about this assignment. And it may even, and what I found in my research is it can just depend on situations more than anything. As more companies become increasingly reliant on virtual teams and teleworkers, how must an individual's leadership style change to accommodate those types of workers? And that's an interesting question as well. I won't go ahead and answer that myself because I don't want to influence your own answer, and that's why I don't give too much away because I don't want to, influence anyone's answers. Because I wanted you to base it, the purpose of these assignments is for you to read what's out there and then decide for yourself. And as long as you have some kind of argument behind it and it's a good argument, it could be valid. So not all arguments are valid, but, the point is for you to read and determine and analyze yourself and use your critical thinking skills. So, just make sure to answer those questions. It's a discussion assignment. You know the drill. Just want to give you some quick feedback. I'm seeing on student discussion posts, some of them still seeing short responses. Make sure that you post substantive responses, not short ones. They need to be long, pretty lengthy. I mean, not crazy lengthy, but not 2 or 3 sentences, if that helps any it can give you a guideline. You need more than that. Excuse me. So that's about it on that one. And individual work, taking another test. You want to go to page 341. Let's see if we can go there. 341. Sorry, this always takes a minute to launch. Or it takes a lot for me to launch. It takes a while for me to launch it. Alrighty, there we go. All right, so you want to take this assessment, time out, set your assumptions about people, and then I think the other one was 333. I hope I got that page number right. I didn't. Oh well. 353. Oh well. 353. And 353, it's another assessment. Well, hold on. Is that right? I hope they haven't taken this out. This is what happens sometimes. They do. Oh, here it is. And this one. So it really starts on 354. Take this test. Take both tests. Analyze your results. Write a paper in which you interpret and summarize your results for each assessment. When I say summarize, I mean write out a summary. Describe it. Don't give me a bunch of numbers. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see raw scores. I just want you to interpret what it means, summarize it, and then tell me what the results suggest about your leadership style. It needs to be a 3 to 4 page paper. That means 3 full pages to 4 pages. 2.5 pages does not equal 3 pages. And that is the body of the paper, not the title page, not the reference page. That's not included in any of that. It is the body of the paper that needs to be 3 to 4 pages in length. So, that's about it. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Let's see. Make sure to follow APA style in your papers. I'm going to go over here again to the web page. Also, let's see, there's the online. I can't even speak. Writing lab. Yeah. There's the OWL. And there's the APA tutorial. Use these when you're writing your papers. And make sure that your Turnitin score is not over 20%, or I will look at it. And if anything is similar to other websites, then you'll have to write it over unless you've already had to, and then you could just get a 0. So just please don't do that. I want to you need to make sure that you're writing in your own words, you're paraphrasing. So that's really all. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know, and have a great